Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. I wanted to hop on here and explain the assignments for today. If you hear my dogs barking or making noises in the background, please know that they're going a little stir crazy being in the house all the time as well. So here we go. What you're going to do today is you're going to read this passage. Remember, yesterday you practiced chronological and problem and solution. So that is what this passage is also going to practice. So you're going to read this passage from Tigers of the Snows. Okay, it's an autobiography. And so you're going to read this. Notice that there are some pictures with some descriptions. It is important to make sure you read those as well as the passage. Make sure you look at this map because it's probably important if they put it on there. Okay, and then you get to your questions. It says this question has two parts. First, answer part A, then answer part B. Just like before, it says, how is the first paragraph different from the ones that come after it? All right, so let's just look. You're just going to scroll up here and you're going to read the first paragraph again. And then think about the rest of them. How is it different? How is that first paragraph different? Part B says underline a detail in paragraph 1 that best supports the answer to part A. All right. So you can go back up here and you're not going to be able to underline it because you don't have the passage in front of you, but just write out to the side on the paper that I printed for you a detail from paragraph 1 that best supports your answer to the question number 1. Then it says, what does the word plains mean as it is used in paragraph 2? All right, so you go back up to paragraph 2 and you try to figure out, does it mean grassy fields, aircraft, bodies of water, or Tenzing's homeland? Question 3. It's also two parts. Part A, how does the author mainly organize the details of the snows? So do they state problems that he faced and how he solved them? Does he state his point of view, comparing it to Hillary's? Does he explain the events in order, or does he explain what happened and why it happened? Okay. Part B, which two details from the text best supported the answer to part A? So once you get this answer, then you're going to choose which two things here supports part A, your answer to part A. Okay, you're going to select more than one on this. Number 4 says put events from the autobiography in the order of how they happen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them in order. Okay, this is printed out for you to write on, so you need to write on it. And last one is 5. Why do you think the author used a chronological text structure in this autobiography? So why do you think they chose chronological instead of another type of text structure? Why do you think chronological instead of compare and contrast, cause and effect, problem and solution? Okay, why do you think chronological was important in writing this? And then that is all you have for today. All right. I'm going to record another video explaining a couple of things that are going to be happening at the beginning of next week. So stay tuned for that, and please make sure you watch that video as well as any other ones that I put on Google Classroom. That way you have enough information going into next week and how things are going to work.